Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Moses, and today I'm gonna show you how to hide TV wires behind the wall. So stay with me. Alright, before you start this project, make sure you get a kit that comes with two outlets. One that goes on the top, right under the TV, and the second one will be on the bottom, okay, as you can see here. So from there is a extension cord that goes to the main outlet on the wall. And this is how you transfer your wires behind the wall. And you don't need any kind of permit because this is legal. It's up to the code, building code. And here I'm showing you the extension cord that goes from the outlet to the new outlet that we just installed. And you see the HDMI cable that comes from the TV and also other wires that go through the wall. And this is how you do it. You don't see anything outside the wall. So this is how I had my TV on the stand before. I wasn't happy with it, so I hung it on the wall, but I could still see the wires. And this is how I have it now. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, the first step will be to make a hole just behind the TV where you want to place the outlet. And the second step will be to make a second hole just like that one where you're going to place the second outlet. Now, the next step is to run the wire through the hole down to the second outlet and connect them. To connect the two outlets together, you will need to match the wires by color. Once the wires are connected, then the next step is to put together these two boxes. All you have to do now is to run all your media wires from the TV to the second outlet. So this project is done. I really like the way it looks now. You cannot see the wires anymore. The TV looks more modern. And if you want to hang on a little more, I can show you how I put the speakers on the wall. Alright, I'm gonna show you what I did to hang the speakers on the wall. In my case, I had to make two holes on the wall for each speaker. The first hole is for the screw that is gonna hold the speaker. The second hole is to transfer the wire down to the second outlet, like you see here. And from there, it's gonna go to the home theater center. So basically, I did the same process with the other two speakers. And now everything looks great. Okay, the project is done. I hope you liked the video. And if you have questions or comments, please leave them below. And until the next time, thanks for watching.